Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sunita. I am from Uttar Pradesh. I am really glad to see you here again. Whenever you come back to my channel, it feels I am talking to my own people. I hope you are all feeling positive today and learning this beautiful language in a fun and simple way. Friends, this is day 23 of English practice with me. In this video, I'm going to show you something different. Something different means I am going to show you some beautiful flowers which I have grown by myself. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Friends, you can see these beautiful flowers. These flowers are called marigold. In Hindi, we call them गेंदे का फूल. I have planted these flowers bucket in a bucket on my rooftop, and they have grown beautifully. Friends, you heard it right. These flowers are planted in a small bucket and they are thriving very well. As you can see, this shows that you don't need a big garden to grow this type of plants, this type of flowers. You have seen, or in the city, people don't have much space, but they grow flowers or plants in a small areas like buckets, balcony, pots. So you can grow these beautiful flowers or any other things like vegetables or any other things you can grow on your roof in a small places. In a small places, marigolds are very bright, beautiful, and attractive flowers. They make any place look fresh and cool. They are found in different colors, and you can see different colors in marigold, such as yellow, orange, and maroon. In In my bucket, as you can see, there are two type of colors in a marigold. I can show you. Okay. I can show you. These are yellow flowers and sorry. Okay. These are maroon. I have planted these type of flowers on my roof. One is bright yellow and second one is dark maroon in color. Both looks are healthy as you can see, and the marigold leaves are green, thin, and fresh. I love my all flowers because I love nature and I spend most of the time on my roof when I get free. It means in my free times I spend time here. I love marigold plants, but marigold loves sunlight. That is why I keep my bucket on rooftop where it gets plenty of sunlight. You know, plants need sunlight to make their food, and that is why I keep here so they can make their food and They grow very well and blooms more flowers. Gold plants are very easy to grow and take care of them. In India, marigolds plants are very important because we use them in festivals, weddings, and religious ceremony. We can we decorate with the help of these flowers. They are also used in decorations and garland. And let me show you another flowers. This sorry, this is rose plant. Friends, if you are new here and watching my video for the very first time, so please subscribe to my channel and please motivate me to create more and more friendly videos. I will meet in day 24 of English practice with me. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Bye bye.